Oh, there you are. What's going on? I was just hanging out waiting for you to subscribe. You know, that subscribe button over there and the little notification bell, yeah. Oh, you haven't done it yet? Well, that's cool. I can wait. I got time. Okay, yeah. I'll just hang out. I'll just wait. What actually goes on in there? Did you do it? Oh, not yet? All right. Oh, what a stupid game. What a waste of money. Love this game. It's the best game ever. Ooh, that's weird. Can you do that? How cool is that? Ooh. Seriously though, are you gonna subscribe or? Okay. Silent treatment, eh? Yeah, real mature. Oh, what is taking so long? Oh. Pretty sweet, huh? Look at that. If you subscribe, I'll show you how it works. Maybe. Seriously, if you're watching this, you should really take a look in the mirror. Because I have one, and that's what you look like. What does that look like? There you are. You're right there. Oh, I see you. There you are. This is me waiting. This is me waiting. Oh, I died. Pay to play solitaire monthly. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do something cool with mirrors in the future. Keep an eye out for that. From the champion. What am I even doing right now? It's hot in here. How weird is that? Prism. Did you subscribe yet? It's kind of neat. Oh no. Oh my God, I wasn't recording. Oh, that's horrible. Oh, that's so much time gone. Oh my God. Oh. I hate my life. I'm hungry now. Another prism. Oh, how much time was lost there by not recording. That is literally the story of my life. Did you subscribe? My precious. Oh my God, this is getting silly. Did you subscribe yet? Did you do it? Hey, did you subscribe? How about now? How about now? Fine, you win. Don't subscribe. Or maybe you did. And if you did or not, you're still awesome. And that's amazing that you watched this whole video. So just as a little secret, a little surprise here, I wanted to give you a little preset pack that I made that I use in my Lightroom a lot of the time. So check out in the description, a little bit further down, there's a secret download. And yeah, keep being awesome. And if you did subscribe, thank you. And if not, maybe check out another one of my videos. And if you do like it, maybe subscribe then. Like always, guys, make mistakes, be yourself, get out there and take some more pictures. See you in the next one.